You are going to love the 2020 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock braking system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, steering wheel audio controls.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.